SAQ Short Answer Type Question Chapter 13 Class 6. Question 1. How can a magnet help in closing the door of a refrigerator? Answer is the door of the refrigerator contains a magnet. When the door is near the rest of its body, magnetic force causes the door to shut as refrigerator is made up of iron. Now the question 2. What are the effects of magnet on an iron nail, a brass pen? Now when the iron nail is brought near a magnet, then it is attracted by a magnet. And when the brass that is an alloy of copper and zinc, it is not attracted by a magnet. This also shows iron nail is magnetic material and brass is not a magnetic material. It is non-magnetic material. Question number 3. What happens when N pole means north pole of the magnet is brought near a north pole or south pole. Now, when the north pole of the magnet is brought near N pole, then it repelled because the like poles repel each other. And when the N pole of the magnet is brought near S pole, then it is attracted to it, as unlike poles attract towards each other. Question number 4. What are man-made magnets? Answer is magnetic substances which have been converted into magnets are called man-made magnets. Magnetic substances like iron and steel, when these are converted into magnets, so such magnets are called man-made magnets. Question number 5. If you have an iron strip, how will you turn into a magnet? Answer is we will rub a magnet on the iron strip 20 to 30 times in the same direction with the same pole of the magnet. In this way, we can convert an iron strip into a magnet. When we are rubbing it, we have to take care that it is rubbed only in one direction. When we reaches to the next end, we have to lift up and then come back to the first end. Question 6. How will you show that magnetic poles always exist in pair? Its answer is by breaking a magnet into two parts. When we break a magnet into two parts and then checking their ends, we will find that ends still form two poles of the magnet. Each magnet has two poles, north and south. We can't separate north and south poles of a magnet. Question 7. Why should magnets not be kept near electronic objects? Children, it is always advised not to keep magnets near electronic objects. Why? Answer is magnets should not be kept near electronic objects because the magnetic field of the magnet can affect the magnetic field present in electronic items and disrupt their working. So, we should not keep magnets near the electronic objects like refrigerator and television or computer, etc.